What happens when you combine science fiction with marine engineering? You get a fully functional, scratch-built UFO boat. The project begins not with conventional naval schematics, but with raw geometry. To ensure this craft handles the laws of buoyancy and hydrodynamic balance, the entire foundation must be flawlessly symmetrical. And the secret to creating this perfect shape? A precisely swept mold constructed out of raw earth. A central guide arm is rotated around a master axis to evenly contour a massive sand mound. This ensures that every fraction of a degree is completely level. Once the primary shape is locked in, a sacrificial layer of plaster-like compound is smoothly applied over the surface. This creates a non-porous protective barrier essential for the next crucial step. After curing, the entire structure undergoes intense sanding to eliminate even the smallest imperfections. A release agent is layered on top, paving the way for the core structural skin. Liquid resin paired with industrial-grade fiberglass mats are systematically rolled onto the mold, forming an ultra-lightweight yet rigid composite hull. But a hollow shell cannot survive the harsh impacts of open water. The builder introduces a circular steel subframe that perfectly mirrors the outer perimeter of the hull. From this ring, radial steel ribs extend inward toward the core, forming a skeleton that can bear immense weight and resist intense twisting forces. To keep the craft lightweight without sacrificing strength, the builder utilizes an incredible engineering secret: hexagonal tessellation. Using modular honeycomb panels lined with heavy tape, a cellular grid is bonded directly into the interior. Hexagons are nature's most efficient shape for distributing heavy loads across the surface without creating any weak points or dead zones. Unlike traditional elongated boats that cut through waves in one direction, a circular craft lacks a directional strength bias. It will face forces from every single angle simultaneously. By blending the radial steel bars into the honeycomb fiberglass skin, loads are instantly shared, redirected, and dissipated across the entire shell. Finally, the upper canopy and specialized directional stabilizers are molded, cut, and sealed into place. The result is a jaw-dropping piece of engineering that blends imagination with mathematical precision. Would you take this DIY UFO out on the water? Let us know in the comments below. But the journey from a raw shell to a fully functioning marine vessel requires solving one of the hardest challenges in naval design: maintaining a perfectly low center of gravity on a circular platform. Traditional boats rely on a deep keel to prevent rolling over, but a UFO boat has a completely flat, wide bottom. To overcome this, the builder strategically mounts the heavy mechanical components, including the internal battery banks and steering columns, at the absolute lowest point of the craft's floor matrix. Next comes the integration of the waterproof electronic propulsion and steering systems. Because the vessel is perfectly round, a standard fixed rudder wouldn't provide the sharp agility needed to maneuver smoothly. Instead, a custom directional thruster mount is installed at the stern, allowing the motor to pivot fluidly. This gives the UFO boat the ability to rotate completely on its own axis and spin in place, creating the illusion of a true hovering alien spacecraft on water. With the internal mechanics secured, the focus shifts to aesthetics and visibility. Rows of high-intensity LED light strips are meticulously routed along the outer rim and hidden under the upper canopy lip. When turned on, these lights cast a seamless, continuous glow on the surrounding water, masking the waterline and making the vessel look like it's effortlessly levitating. Before the final reveal, if you are amazed by this incredible engineering process, smash that subscribe button right now so you never miss another mind-blowing build. Every seam is then given a final coat of weatherproof marine gel and buffed to a mirror-like sheen to reduce surface friction. Now, it's time for the ultimate test. As the craft is lowered into the open river, the physics align perfectly. The hull floats flawlessly with optimal water displacement. With a twist of the throttle, the UFO boat glides out onto the water, proving that with enough engineering precision and pure determination, any wild sci-fi dream can become a reality. Watching this craft effortlessly glide across the water makes it easy to forget the hundreds of hours of precise welding, sanding, and calculated chemistry that went into its creation. Every curve of this vessel was engineered to manipulate air and water pressure simultaneously. As it gains speed, the aerodynamics of the curved upper dome actually create a slight downward force, pressing the wide hull firmly into the water for unmatched stability at high velocities. This unique structural design also means the boat suffers almost zero body roll, a common issue that plagues traditional small watercraft. If you find this kind of hidden engineering fascinating, hit that subscribe button right now so you can stay updated on the world's most unique creations. With the foundation fully proven, the builder can now scale this concept up, opening the door for even larger, more advanced multi-passenger versions of this futuristic marine design. What began as a simple mound of sand and raw fiberglass mats has been transformed into a masterpiece of modern DIY engineering. It challenges everything we know about conventional boat building and proves that the only limit to innovation is your own imagination. Would you risk taking this custom, scratch-built craft out into the deep ocean? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, share this video with a tech lover, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing builds and engineering facts.